In this video, I am going to talk about the basic thing that is required for this workshop, like our mind. So I have already shared the schedule with you all, what we will be doing in these 15 days, like following the exercises on daily basis. But how will we do it? What is the basic thing required for this? You should have a basic understanding of mind. So I will be working upon the subconscious mind, like giving the imprints on your subconscious mind to create the positive results in your life. Let's understand this with an easy example. So on the screen, just have a look, and what do you see? It's a game. These children are playing like it's a tug of war. Now if I ask you, if I say that, okay, just imagine on the one side there are 8 people, on the other side there are 92 people. Now they all have equal power. Without using any logic, just give me an answer. Who's going to win this game? Exactly, 92 people are going to win this game. But if I add a twist here, like if I say these 8 people are the managers. These 8 people are the managers, and these 92 people are the employees. And these 92 people follow the commands received by these 8 people who are the managers. Now who is going to win this game? Exactly, 8 people. And I'll just come back to this. So let's have a look here. It's a mind. It's your mind, or one side of your mind. Our mind is divided into 2 categories: conscious mind and subconscious mind. Now when I'm talking about those 8 people, that is the conscious mind. And when I'm talking about those 92 people who have the equal power, that is the 92% of your mind. And this is the most powerful. You can do anything in your life using the power of your subconscious mind. But you should know the exact technique to get the desired results in your life. Conscious mind is only the 8%. So what is that? Like you can see me right now. You can listen to me. You can see so many things right now. And that is happening only in the 8% of your conscious mind. But there are a lot of things that are stored in your mind. Since your childhood, lot of memories, lot of things. Where are they stored? They are into your subconscious mind. You can access them anytime. And when I'm talking about the storage, like they are stored in your mind. Do you know the capacity of your mind? Of your body? Like we have around 80 billion neurons. So what is the storage? In these 80 billion neurons, the capacity of one neuron is 82 GB. Now you can think of, you are a big storage house, and still it is moving on. We are still like perceiving the events, and we are storing them in our mind. They become our memory, and we can access them anytime. And it will be like moving till the time we are here in this world. Okay, so that is the 8% of your mind, which you do in your conscious world. But a lot of things happen at your back end. That is the subconscious mind. So whatever you experience in your life, anger, stress, heaviness, depression, anxiety, relationship issues, that is again happening because the subconscious mind, the programming needs to be changed in your subconscious mind. When I'm saying that it needs to be changed, why? Because it's already programmed. How? Think about your daily routine. When you wake up in the morning, what do? And you are doing the same thing every day. You go for bath, you brush, you take bath, you have breakfast, you follow the same routine till the time you go to sleep. So it's already programmed. Another thing, when you just go for brush and you use, which hand do you use? The right one or the left one? Just change that. If you use the right one, use the left one, and see if you are able to do that. If you are able to brush, and if you are not able to do that, that means it's programmed with this one or this one, which you use on daily basis. Another example, like when you go to office, you wear watch. So one day you forget to wear this watch. Now what happens? Every 15 minutes, half an hour or 1 hour, your concentration moves to your hand and you think, oh, I forgot the watch today. Why your concentration is moving to your hand? Because it's already programmed. The time on daily basis, you watch the time, like in every 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, and it is happening. But yes, consciously you know that you are not wearing the watch, but your subconscious mind is not aware about it. There are a lot of things. Your conscious mind is aware, but your subconscious mind is not. And that is the reason problems are happening in the life. You are facing the challenges. Like consciously you know that you should not lie, but your subconscious mind does not. So a lot of things are already programmed in your subconscious mind. But if this programming is creating the positive results for you, then move on with this. But if it is not, if you are not getting the desired results, then this programming needs to be changed. And I will be working upon this subconscious mind. You to change the imprints on your subconscious mind. Like you have lot of pains from your past and you are still carrying with you. But how can you erase that? How can you work upon that pain? Because this pain stops you to take the further steps in future. When you think about like, oh, something happened in the past, you do not take the step. So how can you erase the pain? Because that pain is again in your subconscious mind. So I will be working upon that. Also, if you have any question, any doubt, please ask. So that is it for now. I will be working upon the subconscious mind to change the patterns. Like a lot of people have the patterns of sitting at one place and having food there. A lot of people have some issues of like smoking. They want to get rid of this habit, but they cannot. Why? Because that is already programmed and their mind has a positive intention of that. So we need to, if you want to get rid of that, if you want to change that, if you want to move towards the positivity, if you want to get the desired results in your life, if you want to reach to your outcome, if you want to reach to your goal, this programming needs to be changed. I'll see you in the workshop. If you have any question, any doubt, any clarification, please ask. I will answer you. I'll see you in the workshop. Till then, take care. Have a good day. Stay healthy. Peace. Bye-bye. See you.